President Trump signed a bill today giving top-ranking officials at the Department of Veterans Affairs more power to fire incompetent workers and protect whistleblowers. The agency has struggled to provide health care and other services to military veterans. The legislation was prompted by a 2014 scandal at the Phoenix VA Medical Center, where many veterans died while waiting months to see a doctor. As Mireya Villarreal reports, the problem was even worse at the Los Angeles VA.
Susan and Alan Hoffman were happily married for 43 years, but the Navy veteran was living in pain.
He had an enlarged prostate, and they just kept saying it's not a problem, you know, whatever. And then it started to get worse.
He was scheduled to see a specialist in May 2013, but she says that didn't happen.
She said, no, you're here just for a consult. You have to understand people have cancer, and he doesn't, so.
And then you were escorted out the door pretty much.
Yeah, well, I think we were there 15 minutes.
4 months later, Hoffman was diagnosed with stage 4 prostate cancer. A new report by the VA Inspector General shows 43% of the 225 patients who died between October 2014 and August 2015 at the Los Angeles VA were waiting for appointments or needed tests they never got. Although the report does not conclude these patients died as a result of delayed consults.
The number of patients waiting for care, deletion of consults, and the wait lists were much more significant here than at Phoenix.
Dr. Christian Head is a surgeon at the LA VA. He says 140,000 patient consults were deliberately deleted.
I first noticed an unusual number of patients who were presenting with delay in diagnosis, meaning that they presented to the system, they disappeared for a number of years, and then they presented late with advanced cancers. Those consults were being deleted, literally removed from the system.
Alan Hoffman died a year and a half later. The VA has settled out of court with his widow.
Was there any doubt in your mind that they were responsible for your husband's death?
Definitely they were.
The VA would not comment about Hoffman's case or Dr. Head's allegations, but the LA's hospital director admits these problems are serious. To fix them, they've hired new leadership, are retraining employees, and now posting wait times online. Anthony?
Mireya, thanks.